roll arm.
Trish, when me come out here and start arguing me over roll arm.
Me never start arguing to no come. I don't know argue. Me come to argue with you. Yes, me roll arm.
Yes, and me use it on my one done.
So why you use off it?
Me not use that. All me want to done one roll arm.
Well, if you know that can serve me for rest a month.
It not have to serve me go buy one. Me just don't get a chance.
You gonna buy me back one?
No, exactly. You can't use my one.
Me don't want to use your one.
Why?
Girl, me buy my own things and for my own purpose. Me not buy them for me and you.
Sister.
Me no business.
So you really come on road and embarrass me?
Nobody not hear yet.
Me buy yet.
In case nobody heard.
Bro, me can't believe you, brother.
Oh, well, believe me. Me don't want you to use my things them.
Why?
Because of my things them, Riri.
But if we share, me and sister, we have blood.
Me don't want you buy back my roll arm today. Because me don't want that back. Me don't think me want to use back that. So, today, me needed to go into the town, go buy back a roll arm and Carrie come give me.
You know, so very wicked.
How am I wicked?
I feel like me didn't have money. I feel like me would have used a roll arm. Me don't have no money. That simple mean. That's why me use it. Me don't have no money.
Me don't care. Me want the roll arm today. And if me not get it today, and this same problem go be.
You know, say I'm very unfair.
I'm unfair.
Because if you say me and sister, right? Me and sister, I'm use your little roll arm. I'm say me don't have no money right now for buy back. You don't chase me.
You know who unfair?
Who unfair?
We parents have too much away and can't manage we. Me not really business. I just need to buy back my roll arm today. So
well, me not have the money.
Road, want to go into the town and go purchase.
Me not have the money.
So what me for use?
You roll arm, Trish.
Really, me don't feel like me want to use that roll arm.
Why? What wrong with it? It poil? Duppy bitey?
Me just want back a new roll arm.
Some do it?
Me don't want it back, girl.
Why you don't want it back?
You know you go and go till me lick you down?
You know what fighting okay? See before you put your hand on me kick you down flat and gonna flash.
You don't kick me down to the ground for my roll arm or you use. And you're thinking,
man, don't stay.
That's why you use my roll arm.
What break it up? Why go on so?
Me want my roll arm she use. And me don't want to see me want a new roll arm.
Me your sister, right? And me use look a bit of your roll arm coming. I have no money to buy none at the moment. Are you gonna argue with me?
Me not argue with them. You tell them I want a new one.
I can't disrespect me for a road.
Cut now. You see you look a girl. You get me find out say you don't like her just because I know your blood sister. But she look like a girl, I realize say you don't deal with her good, you don't treat her good. Not because she the younger one and fear her mother unalive. Make you go deal with her and treat her so over one roll arm.
Me want it
you
back.
You need to wise up. You can't cuss over one roll arm.
Buy me roll arm then.
No, me not do this right here, so. Me don't know why my mother left me in this condition and situation.
Yo, find her. You can't deal with her so.
Listen to me. Me not work. And the little money when me I get, me not think me for share for me and her. Me have one little roll arm and she spray on the arm like she spray upon all her clothes. And half a buckle of roll arm left over yard.
So what is one roll arm? Fear treat her. Me get for real. You don't like her for real?
So if you walk with me arm stink.
You know I'm never buy back your roll arm.
Buy two.
Never buy back your roll
Buy
arm.
two and give her one.
Me never see she do it there nothing. I ever ill treat her. You don't feel it good.
And you ever pick side.
Go up in the yard. You forgot some of your bigger uncle. I might take something and box it on her. Yo, me get to find out say you can't live good in peace, you know. Every minute this is what I'm ever bad up this one and this one I look like one. Hey, wait till you reach up. Yo, who them even know you know better say?
Oh, one.
Who are you big man?
That's a long story, brother. A long story. This
You tell me say last time I see your foot good, brother. Now me see your foot in a cast.
But I don't even know if I see something.
You don't even know what's going right now in my life now. You don't know, say. We have two little girls in the yard with them on my knees. My brother gone left a fire. Left them for me. The bigger one. Mark, brother. You remember Mark?
You didn't know saying I'm that.
I tell you, say bigger one, I like you look like one. While I go me a pass on the road, them a cuss about roll arm.
Roll arm.
You look like one must use out the big one roll arm and I him a cuss on the road. Like I saw me grow them since my brother gone.
Why I say them a pick nowadays, the simplest set of things, then take it and cuss them one another about.
Brother.
But if I roll on them, that not sound like she like her none. It was them a same father.
Same father and different mother. One thing will cry
Yeah, that's the big problem. You can never have two kids in your yard, but them are different mother. That never go work because them are going to say, them are the full blood and anything. The father is left, they begin.
Bad man actually even know hell on you, but
that's
you would have
so you can sit down to the bigger one and talk to the bigger one.
Tired to talk to them. Every time I leave the yard and come back, a problem. I can't go for 1 minute. I go through the same way, I have more things to go pay back and big hole of car I'm licking at I'm make the scooter. Brother, right now I feel like to just send home a big one. Send him up to him mother. Cause me can't have the big one around me and you know like the little one. Anything can go on. I think the big one will left you there because she goes to her father place. Well, anyway, I'll take him and go call Mark, you know. But you call your brother and tell your brother what go on. Make your brother talk to them and see him picking them. They'll at least one enough for him, but then the time I take care of two of them. Thank you, and I live so bad, man. Thank you, and I live so better. You don't put that on your head, dude. So what them want to buy roll arm? You have to go buy back a bigger one in roll arm. Oh, roll arm. You look like remember say none of them not work, you know. And what the big one get one work, you know. And buy one look 1 and 2 things. And before you share with your sister. Not even when me and my brother grow, we never live. So we use the one thing them. You know that my time them pick me and no one use the one thing. They want them one thing. Yeah, my brother wear the same shoes, the same thing we are rule, same roll arm. Sometimes we in the same shirt. I don't understand, Virgin. They don't understand. Cause if you have your little sister and they cuss him over one roll arm, and back then we used to share everything. I mean, I go buy her back and roll arm, you know. But me, I go buy back. But you do that, yeah. Cause me now make them war and cuss over one roll arm feel look bad for me and Mark for their fight, my brother. But you do that. I just say me and my little thing I go through right now and I just go and hold it out. So, if anything we link them, yeah? But I just, you have to go easy still for the bike, you know what? No, mommy, I take my time right now. But yo, I see your thing. Don't take me come up on your bike still. Serious thing, this brother, cause last week when I see you, brother, your foot never look so I know me I see you back again. But I mean, I tell about you, my girl, brother. Jaja, dog. Oh, you links still here, doesn't just don't put them on your head, I pick me them. Yeah? Alright. Alright.
She had treat me bad. Every day she cussed me. Every single day. Just a while ago, me use some of my roll arm because mine done. And me never have no money to buy none at the moment. So me use some of fear and so I come on the road come cool out. Anyway, me sit down and me see she come and she go come and load me up, but how want make me use her roll arm, I'm not use her roll arm because she don't like me and she will lick me down and there's something that disrespect. But I'm just scared, but I don't know why my mother left me that day. So your mother there? She passed away. Oh God, something just have to understand. Yeah. God will provide, just believe in our God. Yeah. So why you do something to your sister or something? So why she treat her so? I know. She said she don't like me. She doesn't try. I wish me could have helped her, but I can't help your girl. I understand. You just have to go fight it out. You know you have to be strong, you can't be weak. And I alone go through things in your life, you know. And there's some people that go through things in their life right now, worse than what you go through. Some people are up on the streets and have no one to put their head. Just talk that they have something to put their head. And you ever say so sometimes when she cuss, just don't listen to what she has to say. Just not answer. Because the biggest disrespect in her life is silence. When she talk sometimes, no listen to her. And if most of the time you can stay out her way, you stay out her way. So if you're not roll arm, when you get money, you buy roll arm. And if you take some roll arm, don't take it, make sure she have a cause to tell you here. Just have to face. Because you want young girls. So you go to school? No, I stopped going to school. You stopped going to school? What happened? I just see people in my school that trouble me. I'm just scared, but it's overwhelming. My cup overfull. I'm just scared, but I'm stressed. I just want somebody there to comfort me and say, you can do it, you have it. Riri, see that life, Riri? You don't need nobody at all to tell you say you can't do it. You have to believe in yourself and believe in God. Because you see, anybody who God bless, no man curse. If God says if you make it in a life, you're going to make it in a life. Sometimes some obstacles just in your way and you just have to fight past. You understand? You can't just give up, so I got a tree and you understand? So your sister, don't pay your sister no mind. You put them at school, don't pay them no mind. Because see, sometimes, the reason they come to school and bully picnic, and to them I go through some things that they yard. And then come take out your road for other people picnic, understand? So maybe if you can go back to school, you go back to school and hold up your head high. Or when no mother pass away and gone, you have to make sure you turn in her grave and proud of you. Yes, that's true. So take your book, you understand? And tap it. So if you see if your sister says something to you don't like, don't answer, turn your back. Yeah. Don't pay her no mind, make she want talk. Okay. You understand? Yeah. But anyways, me come go up the road. You good though? Yeah, me a good one also. Alright then. Later, girl. Yeah, later. Let me see you. Riri. I want me to again make it yourself. I'm tell you if you go to school. How do you make it yourself? Well, I say to them if you go to school, my uncle give me sister money to share for me and her, and she take all her money and go to school and not give me none. I'm just tired of this life, yeah. Oh God. Sister get me now. I feel like I'm just dead. No, really, you can't think them. Not much time you talk to you. You can't think about them the type of something they really. You have to stay positive and push. No matter what the devil throw at you, you must always believe in a God. You understand? So where your uncle there? What your uncle do about that? Your uncle know about it? I'm not seeing from morning. Well, whenever you see your uncle, you tell your uncle what your sister do, and what your sister do, then there's something there. She don't like me. So you sure say that your sister nothing in her life? I don't know. Nothing don't do her. I'm just trying to be just see out her way and hold me on, and she just not understand. She just keep on and provoke me. She can't just allow me to bill. No, yourself. Really see what I say to you, man. You see, I'm going to try my best. I don't have it like that because myself, I go through some things. Although I said to you before, say, you might go through something right now in your life, but people are go through worse than what you go through right now. You understand what I say? So, I'm going to see if I can borrow money from my friend and help you go to school, but not tell your sister saying if you take the money from you. Understand? And you cannot think about you going to take a life. God not like them stuff there. You have to believe in God and God church. You understand? God church and pray to God. You pray for what you want to do. This night time is pray to God. Don't pay your sister no mind. Your sister want evil. Sister, she wicked. Wickedness can't go down. You hear?
What are you doing this?
No, I'm my uncle here. Your uncle is here? Yeah, I'm really my blood, by blood, but I'm a calm uncle. So what you have said to you can't tell him what happened?
How what?
Trish take your money. You want your money and not give me none to go to school.
Trish take your money. Why you do that? That girl that go make me hurt him, you know?
No, man, I can't say that. All I have to do is just talk to her. Probably Trisha go through something in her life, you know.
I'm tired to talk to them. Two of them, and the only one they talk to. But Trish, they know.
I'm going to school. Gosh, no worry. Yeah, don't worry about that. God will provide. You need to talk to Trish one more time. You need to talk to her. I don't know why, but you need to talk to her.
Last warning, this me I get Trish, you know.
You need to talk to her.
Last warning. And see if you can't hear, no feel. So what you do on roadside?
Let me just go sit down catch a cool. May I go over, girl? Let me talk
Go over,
to you.
man, go find something that yard, man.
Yeah, talk to her. I'll send just some cool off a little bit. Alright. So, how your name?
You know, sir, till you call me, how you name?
My name Kayla. You know, say, I tell you, real like I want real bright girl, you know. You see a future for you.
Bright, man. Man a troublemaker, you know.
That me see, that me I hear about.
The next one, Trish. I troublemaker.
Well, I don't know what the Trish. Probably Trish I go through something in her life. Because sometimes some people go through things in their life and then take it out upon the other person. So probably our parents, we don't know nothing about them background, but you need to talk to she. Because I don't know her and I tell her the truth. She need help. God not like them or something. Yeah. Can't imagine say grandmother die.
I talk to Trish more than 10 times. Low, really alone. Really I go through a lot. No, really. But she not here. I lost one in this yard.
So her blood sister? Them
No.
are blood?
Not really. Said father different mother.
Oh. Oh, that's why.
But through really mother unalive. Remember if I Trisha use against it.
Could have that. I could have that. But I'm just have to talk to Trish and make sure say Trish alright. So yeah, you know I have to talk to she right now. I don't know her like that. And I don't want to get too involved in them family business because that's a family matter and I don't want to be in there. Because nobody go tell me how much string take and make me organize.
Boy, I tell you.
So later, if you go talk to Trish.
Jaja. I let the girl named Trish. Nah, move for her, sir. Until she come. She must come, you know. Pull so over. Rainstorm, hurricane, sun out, cool shady. Me nah move. Oi, where they go?
Me a guy in the house, so you turn a person, so you see banana tree drop down there while I'm panic.
So how you take off your uniform, put it in the house? And where you come from?
What about if you put your uniform, pay your bed?
You more ask you now. Cause you take this thing to some joke thing, you know, Trish.
What?
Where money then? Where Riri for you go to school?
You never give me?
Me give Riri and you take it from Riri.
No, you put down $6,000 on the table, and me never seen a paper say trees for Riri or this is for Riri. Me just see it, so me take it up and me wait first. So me take up all right and me went to school.
So how you go to school with $6,000 and I 200 to live and I 200 to go to school?
She never wanna go. You know, she bore up her ears and she like she wanna go to school.
So for your ears on board?
Me not bore up here so. She can't go in with up here so.
I might text yo.
No, take something and lick me.
Yo, wait till me come up there. Yo, I will kill her with lick. Yo, you see, he said she gonna say, yo, I'll call Mark, you know, brother. And tell Mark about that little girl, you know, because I don't want to do him nothing, you know. Wait till me reach out.
You just eat little people. Girl, we never gonna in your mama parents them. You don't have grandparents. Me just eat you. You don't know how me dislike you. You run down tell TB say you don't get no lunch money. You want to go to school? You did want to go to school? Let me ask you something. You want to go to school? And the last time I give you lunch money, we have to do bore ears. You don't need no lunch lunch money. So every day when lunch money come in the list, I say, me I take care of me, I go school, and me I go. You don't want to go. So you know what you for do now? You for just go and go and go look for your mama.
Girl, just leave me alone.
Yeah, girl, she's not knowing now. Me burn her clothes now. Me set her clothes on fire. So she try to ramp with me. Cause you not gonna make me unhappy in this. Oh.
Yo, look, where are you?
Me I go about my business, no
Where are
problem.
business? I feel like, woman, which business did I go out?
Me I gonna take a walk to the sea.
You're not going nowhere today.
Okay.
Yo, come here. Are you gonna chat to you know?
Speed.
Yo, you say if I you wicked like some man and mash you up, you know, look for her. How you fit trouble her lunch money?
Repeat the question.
How you fit trouble her?
No,
lunch
repeat
money?
the first one. Look panar.
Yeah,
She look like she didn't want to go to school.
you look like you didn't want to go to school. What make you say so? We put on 6 grand on the table, 3 for you and 3 for you.
And that thing, when I think she forget 3, she could have get 1.
How? Why are 3? Why are 3?
I mean, daddy, the overseas not call at work, you know. I no fear daddy, I feel me daddy. I mean, I think we're supposed to be on the equal level. When I like it.
Well, I would have liked to find out why you against her. Really? Why you not?
I'm not. I just wake up and I don't get no money.
You come
I should
like something like
You
one.
could have walk.
Why you never walk? Why you never?
Because me have a daddy, you know, have none.
You take up all of the money we put for Nichisa. Go to school. You don't feel say she want to go to school to go learn just like how you want to go learn.
No. She could have walk.
Walk how? When you take up everything, what she going to eat?
Huh?
Trish,
Me the papa?
Trish, come
Beg.
on, man. Trish, let bygones be bygones. Cut all of them something. You want to drop, you want to live. You like one. I travel one day, you know. No
And
push
it's so be 2. I think we would like it when it be 2.
Yeah, go leave.
Anybody for leave is you.
Look here. Go and go babe. The walk by to roll on for your stepsister. Go and go babe. Why? Fill in the money out. I sing a life, brother. Brother, I'm not yours. Oh, me and the brother.
Hello. Good day.
Good day.
I'm in one girl named Riri.
What's your teeth now?
Shut it for me.
Say I look for her for
Cause I'm a little friend, me I look for you. What's she there?
friend. Then we real friend.
Yeah, something wrong with Riri. Riri can't have friend.
Me don't me know her.
What's she there?
Yard. You don't talk her.
Talk to her. I want to talk to her.
I'm a stepsister, me know her. Yes.
Oh, so you are the other sister when I treat the girl bad. When I take the girl money and make she can't go to school and have her on the road to the ball.
Take her money.
Mm.
She have money for me take.
The money, our uncle left money give her one day for the 2 to go to school and take it all of it.
Where I didn't even her uncle. I didn't even my stepsister. She's nothing to me. I'm gonna tell you this. Tibi nah work. Tibi nah have dry shit. Tibi nah know which part money come from. Tibi just go to Western Union and collect the money from my papa. My papa send it down and him collect it and him give me it. Me decide if more and give her out of it. Me don't know if she should find her by your own.
You see you, God have one piece of beating for you when God give that beating there. When God give that beating, they're gonna not nice. How you feel treat your sister so? How you feel treat her so?
What you pick up people business for your head? Where people ever do your way you don't know in a life?
You see you now, you don't have no manners.
You say you know?
You're too rank.
You're too enough.
No, me not too enough. Me are talking truth.
Why truth? Yeah, walk up and down and look for people to know people's business. You want to know what you should go for today? You want to know what is the story for today?
No, where is my friend? It's something to most of in a life. Is it true? Not have nobody to talk to, no friend in a life. Or some real stupidness and some real foolishness.
Who you have to talk to?
Hello,
I don't really need nobody to talk to. I have God. And I am the angel that God sent in Riri life to make Riri feel better. Because every day Riri want to take her life. And say, you know, you're very wicked. You're the devil in disguise. And you the devil sent come.
So
I can't reach Riri. So you come in and do.
If she wants to try and unalive herself, what is stopping her every day? Why she still here?
Me, I God send me.
Oh,
God
then I
send
think
me.
me need to be the devil in your eyes now.
No, you're already the devil.
You say me the devil in
Cause
Riri eyes. So me need to
No,
move from Riri.
you're the devil in disguise. You're coming like a one human being.
Disguise?
Yes.
What do you mean in a disguise?
Because you look like you're nice, but you don't nice. You're very wicked.
Ah.
Yes, you don't nice. And that.
Then me can analyze her in her sleep.
You see, you know.
You say me very wicked. If me did wicked, you think should I celebrate? More than lock it off already by now.
I'm trying to have it straight. Because you see, me don't know why you ever they treat me like anyway. I mean, I don't know, long talking with you.
Mama, me not turn up and I sit down. Me I sit down.
I only have to say about it too. The girl tell me that she use your roll arm. And then even the bald one is a spray roll arm. And you they go on the most for you overhit. The most for you like say the one use what she go use, you they go get some disease or your arm they go bump up. You see me she say you want wicked little girl? You see you know God need to help you, need to go to church. We really need to pray for you. You need help. Ask you want to ask.
If the roll arm is a problem to you, why you not buy her one?
Don't worry yourself. I will agree with you. But it's when God ready for you, or something else. I will find worry by myself. I don't need your help.
You're trying to make me come see over my papa property. Oh.
What's your Kayla? Really? Yeah, do ya so. I'm just from the car, look at you. It's like I'm now feel from man, you know. So get yourself in the yard.
Yeah, I'm bed me DJ. I'm just come out to see me and catch a cold breeze.
Well,
Oh, things so. That's what I want to know.
so me I say things are right, things good. Okay. I don't want to say me walk here with this man and me I look for you from man as I said before. I'm book up and feel like a dirty stepsister and so me know say your stepsister because I think you're this sister by blood. I even know say you're stepsister. And I tell her the things that when you tell me so she need to treat her better. She are going the most way. She are going the most.
So like a she call me. What you say? Don't ask me now.
She are going the most way. I mean like them things that come.
And the roadside with them, I don't want nobody come on you because I say bush of yours, go over me yard.
Make sure say me can't come over here because remember say my mouth no plant peas align with people. My mouth very round.
I know. I may want over there, my uncle and sister.
Alright, come on.
And your sister come out of bother. So I have to tell her that sister don't even have no chair can get to slow down.
Oh, that's alright. So that's how you know. Me they walk. I look for you. So me come and tell you, me they walk something for you. So say me walk and look for, and then your dirty sister see me and interrupt my man and I come argue with me on the road, you know. I say, girl, you need to stay far from that girl. Because some things she talk with her mom, I don't want to tell her exactly what she say out her mouth because your sister, and I don't want to turn away your mind for your sister, right?
Yeah.
But so something come out of a girl's mouth, and if it be weird, yeah? If it be very weird, so I'll do it to in one house. Stay as far as you can, because the girl is wicked bad. So as me I say now, I say, tell me, well, ask, get big and become money. So money get $1,000. So you can take you and go to school. You might not nothing, but at least you can pay your fear. Look about food from yard, put in one plate, and put it in your bag and go to school. That can pay your fear to go to school for about 2 or 3 days.
Thank God for you sometimes.
Yes, you can go to school. See, alright, still.
Yeah, me alright.
Alright. So me time me get money, make them put in some passion twist in there to super ear.
Alright.
So you can figure out.
But wait. Me not see right. You start invite people you know. Eh?
My friend and she come look for me. Where have a problem?
So why you never the outer road to talk to her?
Because me don't want people here when me and my friend are talk, say.
Oh, so you did ask permission to invite somebody over here?
Who me fi ask? You? You ain't nobody me fi ask.
You mean me and nobody you fi ask? Eh? You fi got a over pupa yardis?
No, I told father.
No. I wanna we buy blood. I see my father.
I know your father.
I know what I
And
say.
this year, but one can disrespect me on the road, I gonna say I am the devil in what? Me don't know the word, cause I never learned that one day in a school.
Can you not go to school?
You know, shut your mouth.
Talk
But
to
yes,
Talk
give me my talk to she.
Talk to she.
So she fit talk to you?
Talk to me and you the talk. Talk pay her mind. And attention she a look. I walk to you.
Talk to me.
Me talk to you.
Yes, me a look attention. See me here. I'm begging attention. Please talk to me.
I beg you, take your little sister from out of my face.
I beg you to take your little backside. Come out of me yard.
No! Are you me come to? So take me out, cause clearly me come to you. I
When
never
you come to she, he, her, the whole lady, I feel me Papa build this.
No. Take me out of the yard. Come on.
Go.
This is the last time I check. I am not Riri. I am not your sister. Like I tell you this. No, I tell you this, girl.
Hey!
I'm the wrong person, you're ramping, girl. Me and my girl, you know, no ramp with me.
Hey!
You see me, I try to praise God.
Hey! Hold it. What go on, sir?
Them come in me yard, really tell girl come in to come beat me. And then you tell me to me if you look my child,
Give me phone. My friend can't look
Why
for
you do
me.
that, Riri?
Me don't do that. My friend can't look for me right there.
Oh,
so.
so you're a troublemaker all
No,
along.
uncle, don't me. My friend can't look for me. I should come up with my friend fear. So I go with my friend.
Me come from off of
I
the
lie.
road.
I lie. Come
Let me
and tell
see
her
who
what
you
happened.
go believe.
Let me tell her what happened.
All along, you make me a blame Trish.
Uncle, me I say that. You're not hear what me I say. You're not hear
No,
me I
I don't
say.
want to listen to you now.
Listen to what me have to say. Me I talk to you now. Me come over here.
I could all listen to
Say.
her. Run her, make she got
Tell me
she
I come talk
yard.
to Riri, cause Riri want to call life or something. She didn't come and contact me for your yard. But for your yard, I come gun chop me.
Yo,
I mean, I
yo,
gun chop me alone, you know.
Lick me.
You bet you alone, I'm tired, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm tired, I'm alive. Me can't wait, this a family, I'm sick, me can't wait. Well, me I go to my yard, me sick,
You might find appearance.
Yes.
So,
And
You're
now
a big
come back
woman, you're
here.
bright, you're a big woman.
Now big
Out of
woman, you
order.
have so much twist in your ear, you roll up like a dog shit. Don't come back here. Come, uncle, make you come go in. You see me tell you no. Don't listen to one side of the story. But no, I'm me and the bad sheep in the family. You see your nose big.
all along, a real problem. Bring woman in me yard, 4 off my niece. I watch me on that. Ready? Riri! Boy, I see something with me I want to know about. Explain. Tap the ball. What?
Tell him,
Really, you really bring woman in me yard?
no, God don't say, go come and tell her how you go. It's like, alright, I see them out the door there some, and I see my friend a pass, and I say, Kayla girl, what happened? What man, me and her talk, but through me no want nobody on the roadside a pass and I hear what me and Kayla they talk, so I tell her, so come over me yard. Not even in the house, me don't care. I say, turn up out and something with her. And she gave me $1,000. Because she said she's not going to give me more money, and she gave me $1,000 uncle so I can help pay go to school. And I tell her thanks, and she talk to me, and then Trish come. When Trish come now, Trish accost her my friend, and I go up on my friend's face and push my friend and tell my friend about how she for my friend to come out of Trish's yard. And that caused a fight.
Really, me shouldn't even go through all of this, you know, because me have some problems and some bills we are run up for me and catch up for me. And your brother, and my brother for the so right now I deal with the 2-1. But anyway, me I tell her one little secret. 2 days from now, Mark will come here. I want to tell Trish.
Yes, uncle.
So just make sure you don't tell him it's a secret, you know. But I can't manage. Me fed up. Me glad Mark can come. Me fed up. Me have a whole heap of things I got through, brother. I don't make for the so right now with the 2-1. I hustle and tussle.
Yes, uncle.
Just so tell nobody, keep it to yourself.
Alright.
Me did call him one day and did a chat to him and he say I'm doing some things for you.
Okay.
You eat anything already?
No, I did leave the food or that stuff because run that stuff because I never ready for no eat. So I go eat the food.
Right now I'm here that man. Go and get something to eat, something to eat.
Alright, uncle.
Tell her brother, every day are something new with them two pick me. My mark, hurry up and come. I'm glad you have come still. But one of my make it up tomorrow and reach out. God no, them pick me a headache, bro. Wake up, man. No, wake up. Hey, relax, man. I'm tired. Go sit down. Wagwan.
Then you come for Friday with shopping bag.
Don't worry about that. Me make sure get me an idiot. I make sure I leave the suitcase in my catty yard.
Catty, say you have woman now.
Yeah, we see over.
So anyways, me have a bone to pick with you. Oh, she get money for do her hair, and all that she got her shot, and me don't get no money.
Oh, what me help me send?
So why you send for she alone? Me not forgot yet.
Then, hold on, I this have a graduate.
So this has to be send no money then.
I never know she was going to do that.
So where you sending money for them, daddy?
I just tell her to fix up herself. But me never know that this a fix up, yeah?
But you see money.
So cut them out then.
For what?
That is unfair. So all she figure graduation looking like that, and me figure graduation with 4 granny plot.
So hold on, what about your uncle? Can we send him money, you know?
I don't know.
Me yes, I don't hear a fight.
You can't see where I fight?
As she.
Fight over what?
She said she do not like me.
Why you don't like her?
Cause she didn't pick me.
That no say.
So why she get more treatment than me?
It is a lie. She treat me
Look
so
on her
bad.
ear, look on mine.
Take off your bonnet.
You know, look appropriate.
Me say take it off.
See it there.
You're beautiful. Natural beauty. Then me have something here. I could just cover down the beauty. And this is what she have on. It just cover down the beauty.
I can't cover the beauty.
And I hold on in your eye. Soon give cancer in the eye. You soon have to take over one eye because cancer going in it.
It is still like that my language.
Huh?
And I can't nothing.
The suitcase, don't worry about that.
Oh, so I can't afford I'm hungry.
You ever hungry and I eat?
You know, so I find this for the road and the one day for now, you can wash it.
She like in something else.
When you hungry, don't do that, I have bag. Anyways, then I speak my language.
Here you are.
More money for go to my ear.
Where's the thing there?
You're not taking me here.
Are you putting where's the thing there?
Huh? Jesus, peace!
Yeah, you say bag fine and you take it put
And you put it for your hand. Girl, I walk this, you want to walk this.
Me now.
Does it say ideas?
How you sure if somebody put food in it?
So where you take it up for?
Mama, lock up the bag. Me not even know. The touch is too much.
So,
They show in a shopping bag.
clothes are food.
I have to close them the car.
I mean underpants them. When me carry them up me the way too, what me just too new style.
Wait, now that
And
you
put the
look
clean one them, so I clean something them pan
Yeah.
and carry out because you see, we teach you something.
Look,
Never
look,
you
look
left.
on there,
Don't
money.
know where you wear a woman yard.
Yeah,
Because
cause,
if you left it there, then control you. And then control me, we don't get nothing to eat.
But we not get nothing to eat. Because right now I'm hungry, I want some money to go to my ear. Tomorrow graduation.
Daddy, look on the bag here. Look on it. Look here. Are you this here?
Yeah.
I see you hungry though. Daddy, boy. You never look this good part of picture there.
You should have shame on yourself. You should have really shame on yourself. But make it on. How about all of this? Because when me left on the right this end,
She got money and buy them something.
and you have one like saying you not send money.
I never say to send money. But you not send none now for me.
Me I go in the
Tibi don't give me no money, you know.
You know, business with you are my brother, you know. I phone uncle. You must justify on yourself. Because when me send money come here, all of them here, so now they fight.
As she.
Girl, you never fight you?
Yeah. She
What
a fight on my friend. She a come fight on my friend.
So, how much
And
time?
your friend?
How much time?
Yes. One time my friend would come look
Why
for
you do
me.
your eyelash stuff?
Oh.
You bend up like one time breeze blow umbrella and it just
See
bust
breeze
up.
and blow.
Huh?
See breeze and blow.
Don't blame the fan breeze because this now say 100. Don't blame it.
Can never send the money.
Fido.
And she me say one night me lie down right as I sleep. And she kick the
I saw you
fan.
sleep.
Yes, because she don't want me on the bed.
Oh, when the backside, you tell me, say. I saw she sleep every night.
Because she don't want to let them on her
I
head.
lie. She said me not, you know when you come in there, she say oh she skin out on the bed. She said she do not want me on the bed because she wanna wash her shit.
Why you never take your broom, push up in her? And she won't skin out again in the bed. Use common sense. You know what? Say something like I shut your back.
You know we're not take a plane and go back where you come from. Can you serve a purpose, yeah? What purpose to serve?
I want to see.
I want to you. Come here and broke for you now. No, we cannot close the
And me I go in the kitchen and come back.
Are you making a call me block foreigner?
Come me make you come me.
Me a call me foreigner. Thank you. I do you not know the plans that me have for now.
Make your plans fast now. Why are we wait?
Hello. Young miss.
Yeah?
Make sure say you sleep straight in the bed. Yeah, every day.
Oh, she gonna sleep straight in her bed. Tell me. One blow bed round there so she gonna blow you up and drop up on the ground.
Why you not doing?
It's my father yard.
Yeah, make your best how you do. Yeah? No blow the blow bed, yeah? No blow the blow bed. You see, when tonight come, I'm gonna put it toward out the door. Turn up out there all night. Since I tell them lean up, you will be alright when you're out the door. When you go out the door, no sheet. Anybody me here make nice out, they don't deserve for me, I go go. Go on, because you left the backside bathroom pipe and run. You see the next time you come here, I know that this happen again. I stress
Say now, give me money for the meal.
Use gel, ego gel, rub it up in the ear. Or better yet, with your chicken. Enough of them young gel I don't know. You can keep it as a secret. Buy a back like ear oil, get some water and dabble it up in it and fling it in your head. And put on one plastic bag and rub up it and dab it and you see your ear that's so pretty. Like a coolie. Yeah? Nice!
But you use that pan underneath to say top breed and can make it.
To it. I can't bite this. Toga! Toga! Jesus Christ, you boy in there. But my bike, do Father God. What am I going to do to my bike? Lord Jesus Christ! I can't bite this. I can't believe someone left my bike and go for about 1 week and come back and see my bike mash up, you know. Where you going? Go me general, my friend. You know see one boy when named Toga. Toga. Leave me a look for him. He's tall man and he should be here alone and he have dark complexion.
Yeah, nothing doing. Why you walk on some crutches?
No, my father, I know what for that man.
Well, I don't see him then, my father. I see like on broke foot, you did go away, but if I know him, I don't know who then.
Alright, me check down here with that stuff.
Yeah.
Well, that boy didn't see. Must look him. Okay. Name that. Yo, where are you so bad, man? What happened?
So yeah, I think we
Brother, you believe say me go and me go, brother, why do you come back? And my bike look so brother, want to my bike?
me explain how many money we have to take up because
Yo, explain.
so you go to lick me from my foot.
Explain.
You go to lick me from my foot, you
Bad man, me say if you explain, coming in here and talking, bad man, how my bike look so?
me a good on your road. Me go pick up my woman. I'm a borrow bike to ride good on your road. I'm a good on so rich I can listen to my lick me.
Bad man, I good God have mercy, now me not take this and lick you in your foot. Yo, you know what?
So you go to
You know what God send me for you.
and I'm being wrong, you know?
Me no care how wrong. Only thing me have to say, make sure me thing David dog, fix my bike dog, cause you know the power you depend you know bad man. Me left my bike, you know. Me never left it with you if you go ride, you know, and mash up my bike, you know.
Ask me warm to me foot you come and just so fix bike.
When me go up a yard and see my bike, me know say I crash.
See, you ask me as a good friend, you even say your foot good and you never ask me nothing like that. You just said, I come and say me fix bike. The bike soon leave, me can't leave.
So you can never call me and tell me say I ride out my bike.
They call, you know, see me call me call. Me a call
Bad
you
man,
and me
just-
nah get up on your phone.
Just fix my bike, bad man. I mean I don't know man chatting me. You hear?
Me can't fix the bike and me a deal with my foot. Me not even have no money.
So when my bike I go fix?
You know my friend now, you pressure me, sir.
I didn't think I can't take you know bad man. You left my bike, you know, brother, and go with me and go in. And come back, come see my bike, mash up bad man.
But I am my friend, me soon. And I like to me now, the
And it come like you dey hide me there, cause me dey walk. Me dey walk and look for you bad man and can't find you. Much people you make me have to ask for you.
But alright, that's how my auntie had me. You don't know what's for me there, how you mean to me and hide you.
Brother, you see us from today? I get till from today till Saturday to fix my bike, bad man. You say my bike not fix
More
it.
that time,
Today
more
a
that thing,
Wednesday,
me
you
no
know.
fear dog. Yeah, look on one little bike, you even say me could have dead or nothing, you would.
So I'm sitting up on bike. Today a Wednesday, I get from today till Saturday. I have 2 days to fix my bike. So you must know where you want. Me I go down there, so.
Yeah, give me 2 days to fix the
To
bike,
fix
and
the
me
bike.
just tell you, say me and start out my foot dog.
I'm not busy with the foot on my bike, I'm busy with bad man. I wanna come like in licking head.
Yeah, give me the good time to fix the bike, brother. You make it look like say me a run, bro. Say to my friend, yo.
Boy after me take my bike. This a boy, you imagine to God say this a boy I take my bike out of my yard, bro. No permission you. I'm gonna mash up my bike, brother. Yo, can't take certain friend, you know, bad man, car. Yo, bad dog, you know say you did right, brother. What happened? You know go over auntie, I'll go see him pantic.
Allah, you have to that diamond there. Them next diamond there, good on the road, I go around 2 million and that not even there on the clock. Father, I hears me a ride bike and I never ride so hard in my life yet. And I want you to on the top ride bike.
I say, boy, lie and I can't tell me say I know him wrong.
I'm wrong, what? I look, say I know drop out of life, you see me? Father, me never see a man ride a bike hard so yet.
No.
I don't know how engine a blow.
The boy, they go make me do him something, you know. He go make me hurt him, you know.
Me don't know about that. Matter of fact, you don't hear nothing from me. You don't hear nothing from me. Me didn't see him on a bike. I lie me I tell you, me didn't see him on a bike.
Everything good, you know, brother. I go back up on me yard, you know, bad man.
You right, man.
can't be with me like a dream, me a dream. This can't be for real. Sometime in my life, brother, me tell about them a friend and brother car. Can't believe say 1 week me left my bike for. Go to town and come back. And the man mash up my bike, brother, yo. See them my friend at all. That yo, that's how you sometimes you get on with family and you stick to problem more than friend, you know, my knock up my head, brother, I want to. I want to something to you, brother.
Brother, no, sir, the day before yesterday. You cry.
What do you mean you cry? You a car?
No, I borrow my nigga bike, me I go for my woman.
Brother, I'm take you much time and tell you about the bike thing, brother. And by last time you see me on the road, I carry one batch, I go on the road, and you say to me, say, boy, if you drop you up something, you go on. Because bike, brother, yo, and you see, I have to go see your bike. So, am I help you with start you?
I'm not straight.
Yeah, me not ask for you, me ask so. You
nobody not, man, because me not no papers and something. The bike not straight. And my friend bike now, best selling bike me borrow. And go down there, and my next bike was going to slam in me, because I ride go down there. And see, me look up, and me look back down, and me ride out, and me look up, so one bike that goes slam right in my foot.
But see a bridge now, so I'm thinking about
I'm a bridge, I'm not too long. My best friend and feel bike, and he ain't there, they thought. Ain't come now. Say want him bike to deal with. No. Oh, me go deal my bike now.
I mean, bike deal now.
You want him bike to fix.
Like my pressure, yeah?
Yeah.
I like that, sir. What kind of dirty
I'm here about the next somebody bike to go fix.
What do you mean next my bike?
Come to me now on papers. Me wrong, you know.
Yo.
Me now on papers, you know, but me right. Come go up on my side and back to me have a right and road.
So, a man understand all of that and see that pressure, you?
Now explain to him and you don't want to hear. You don't want to listen to none of that. You must say, you want him. I'll take up the crutch, you lick me from my foot.
What? Your best friend, and you still say your best friend. Out of your mouth, you try to say one youth where you know a long time. What kind of style, brother? Name some rules certain way and thing, because the man has bike and me a walk foot. You call him best friend now, because you're best friend and you have bike and ride. Brother, me used to roll through one type of situation. Walk foot go check y'all. You remember them days there? Now you can't walk foot go check y'all because why you have bike. A bike friend you want, man. Bike best friend. Yeah, man. So a bike best friend get here. You happy? Eh?
And I like me forget your number.
What you mean say forget me right now? Remember me here hold long me say walk one.
Up then me a coming.
Up where? Happy come. Hop go back down sir. Where you have come up for me yard? Eh? I saw the people staying I want to down and understand say boy there's a lot of things around. Ground. Sound stay brother. You the person that you still.
My pressure me fix it by that. I'm mother.
So. And the money you come on idea. And the money you feel like you're going to check me for.
Yeah, me could have borrowed 120 grand for and me put better and 60 time me gear back. Me tip late.
Yeah. Also then do medication too.
Me no money to get no medication.
Oh, you do medication?
Me go see me can check my mother too.
You need to go Bellevue to come and give medication because obviously you're mad. Your brain turn around. Eh? You need to turn around back and get back to reality. Brother, you know some have certain things like that. I mean, mama take care of me. You see, I don't long want to be here. I'm a shut mother with me out.
I know you need to check me and say, yo.
You hear some bike here?
That me here.
That you go hear because people are going to tell you things. Because I'm borrowing bridge in the car. And the man got a fine for 2 weeks.
No, me here. Your bike car.
And the brown girl, you see the brown dirty girl around us? Eh?
Who that? Chrissy?
No man, Punchy, brother. Brother Punchy, you know my food friend now, I try to get all long and we couldn't get it because we not nothing.
You get her?
Me get it. Me get it. Brother.
dangerous.
We are drive.
To me, yeah. So you know how I'm going now. It's point to see you. Tell her, say, you know, see me. See a long time. You understand me? I say? So, if you take the happy what you
can buy me a juice.
Buy a juice. I can buy a juice too.
Let's see, Mr. Mother, there's nobody in America right now. You don't want to wait for me.
Where they are do? I sleep on roadside. What on there?
You may wait for the past.
Eh? So I'm to your foot. Oh, something wrong with your foot and you not call me and tell me as your mother. What's your problem? What happened?
No phone. No phone. Yesterday before yesterday, I meet in an accident.
So you couldn't borrow, you want to assume you could have worse than this, thank God you know worse. You could have end up in a hospital. Eh? You could have lose your life. And me as your mother don't know. Everybody else would have know. And nobody not call me and tell me so none of your friends them don't know about this.
Only friend me there about a TB and right now, he might cost me about him bike say.
So a TB bike? Jesus Christ. God.
I borrow to go pick up the
How much time me tell you say TB down the road I call up your name say every minute you borrow him bike, you run out of gas and the car back on give him with a little bit of gas. So wish that unfair for that you do it too. But if you stop borrow people
always came back 2 bills.
2 bills?
To put in there.
So hold on there. One to your foot. His sprain or he broke?
And 2 of them broke.
How much are your 2 broke?
The whole 4 of them.
Jesus. God. So hold on there. The one son I may have would have gone and I don't know. You want to tell me say, although you don't have no phone, you couldn't borrow somebody's phone and call me? Say you don't love me as your mother?
Sometimes I come right and say me know say you're so pass.
Then suppose me never fi pass, that's why I did take care of the road around there so. You don't know say me can walk around there so too. And come back all here so. Wait, jeez, so hold on there. So you, are you bandage it up by yourself or you go to a doctor?
I go to hospital.
You go to hospital? So what the doctor say? What you have to do? You have to come back
I
home?
go back to doctor about Tuesday. And we take
A therapy, where they go do? What they say?
Some therapy something.
Oh, God.
And the next you buy me have to go fix it the next week myself. Myself coming on the license. Right, but me have to get it wrong.
Eh? Yes, sir.
Right, and me have the right.
And you did have your right away? Or Oigo? What happened between you and that
And not me cause the accident.
I want to carry your crash in or a bike or what, truck or what?
Let me explain. Me a good on red dragon. Right? By the time I go down and reach my little distance, if I water run, I stop and I look up or I look down. By the time I turn back my head, I ride out same time. When I look back up, I bite down, I say I come down well hard, I come down. And jam in brake and I slide them, I go across the road and the bike slide from looking at my back.
So something happened to that person now?
No, I'm the me alone. But the bike mashed up.
So who is responsible for that bike then now?
They tell me I have to fix it, so I'm not scared.
You want to tell me say, keep the bike, no lights nor insure?
No license, true.
God. So you never know all the time you're the rider. Can I first already, you know?
I never yet ride the gun on fireplace.
May I ask you one question? You never know before you ride the say no license insure.
Yeah,
So I see where police could have taken a TB bike and you'd have still have to be responsible for. So the boy bike will mash up, who responsible for it? You? So you have to go pay for it?
you tell me say me have to fix your bike.
So now me have to go take out the last money when I have and give you to go fix people bike.
I go give up.
Me tired.
Jesus Christ. How much time you gonna put me in a trouble like this? Remember, said the little piece of house and me the bill not done yet. And the room, all when you gone live with woman, me not care. Me have to build on one room round at the back here. The room me the bill not even done yet. So every dollar when me save, you go put yourself in a trouble and me go have to spend it on the trouble instead of spending and do something else more important we have to benefit from. Look into yourself. I not pick me, you know, you're a big man now. You're a big man, me tired to talk to you. You make me talk to you like you want a little teenager boy where just hurry come up.
I'm just the other one thing, you know.
No, look into yourself. Alright, me understand. You say I know you wrong, but you have to go take the wrong then say because you know life's not insured. Me understand that part there. But listen this, there's a but. You know and I know. The whole Jamaica knows say you're not supposed to ride or drive, whatever it may be, as long as you're on the road. You're not supposed to go in and none of them without. If I want learners, God Almighty. Wait there. So you have learners? You have license to go ride bike?
Learners
Up. See there. Straight at jail you're gone. I see where from police did come only because you get damaged. See there? Only because you get damaged. Me sorry to hear about your foot. You understand? Me feeling in my heart. But me thank God so you never did. But suppose one police did catch up on the bike, then take your TB bike, then tell you go to jail, me have to come bail you. And me have to go work. You need to look into yourself and stop them foolishness here. Which girl? Hey God. So you borrow one? You borrow one bike?
You want to look up on my foot in church.
Oh.
But you want to bike.
No, you can't look up on your foot today. Understand saying grieve and he want to and him and friend he now go lick up on it. He just want you fix the
take up the
bike.
cut so you lick myself and then one thing I'm wicked or something. Lick up on your foot.
TB when me know. TB when me know from the little so.
I say more
and him grow up as friend.
give me 2 days time to fix him bike.
Don't worry yourself. I'm going to give you the money to give TB. Because you want TB a friend for a long time. And when they come from far, you have to say when you grow up together. Me no want it to have nothing. First, you run for ride the bike without a license insured. Second thing, you need your own thing and stop borrow people things. You see when you borrow people things, the devil will put you in a trouble fast and when I feel your own thing. You understand? Because even if I did feel your bike, when you understand me. I don't say you can't catch off there, you know. But when you borrow people things and the devil knows you don't have money, a certain problem, he put you in it. You understand? Come on for the road and go on your yard. Because you know look good to see you sit down on the roadside and sleep for long. Me can't believe this now, God. So the one little money, Father God. Me have to go take you and get it because me no want you and him feel no problem, you know. You understand? So me will give you money, remember me tell you. So if TB come back to you, tell TB say, you go give him it in a 2 days time. As what him say, because I don't want to go pass you on. Because them are people nowadays, if they say, them are go analyze you. Don't disbelieve them. With that joke, them are make her not run no joke with their life. A serious thing are going to hurt now. And you need to start pray. And you need to find one church and make one pastor pray over that foot. Because I don't understand how you just press up. All of a sudden. For no reason. You can't bother. Boy, son, not do.
Come on. Yeah, man,
You can't bother with the man.
come on.
Come in and see that, man.
No, man, come on. Every time we talk, we keep this stand up. Come on.
I come here, I go to my mother, say, go lie down. Mother, say, go lie down. Wait.
The mother says, go lie down. The mother is an idiot. You call me, say you call him to spend so much money.
And my mother, I'm sick, my mother for do.
Just you buy your own because me did the one and she did the one about that same bike. But no.
I'm not me wrong, you know. When you ask me what happened, you want about same bike. You know, ask me what happened.
Hello. Me know everything what I want.
What happened up there?
Yes, sir. You gone for the man right away. Oh, you have to put the man right away.
Me know the pan right away. Me look at the crossroad first before me go out. And me look so me panic and me see him come. He didn't see me either.
See, your panic is put in a problem.
Me go
You're
cross
blind.
on my side.
Where you side there?
Over the left side me there. I'm go over there. Me right cross go over there and the bike slide come looking at the bike coming there pan. TV bike.
Feel license?
TV bike no license. And that's why me get wrong.
So what are you? So, oh, your mama go fix that bike. That's the most important thing.
My mother said she go fix it, but my mother said she go fix it.
Them appearance
No
and
worry
learn.
about that.
Them appearance and learn.
I may have to go find money so I two bike them man fix. Cause she become I'm a best friend and I think you must understand.
No,
Him
man.
man tell me say he want him bike fixed in a 2-day time. Oh, me go fix bike in a 2-day time. Me and your friend, you know say me no work.
You're lucky you get 2 days. If I was me, 1 day, I same time you have to fix it. I don't want to ride it right away. You fix it right away. You mad? I'm for me and ride my bike all day. And you come mash up my bike
The
right
man
away.
never there, and me call him. If he say me a borrow a bike and he not answer, so me take you and ride it.
Yeah, man. Good. I'm good, yo. What I got to do now?
Mother say me go lie down, she go sort out the money.
I see. I'm your mother. I say, can't feet that thick, man, and I'm not stop licking in your foot. I'm not stop licking in your foot. You understand?
That's why you picking them now, we not live with them. That's why they make you have your catch water for what. That's why you picking them gone and left you. Next thing nobody now live over there with you. You're too wicked, brother. I'm not going to go over me out here.
Let me pick them in live your money. I'm chicken leg feed right now. I'm glad you know that. You know business. Wicked I know wicked. Right.
Where they study?
I'm for this.
You know there. Me come here and me not see you. It's so not hot. Yeah, even for your broke foot, you walk up and down. Me have to walk up and down
You
look for
can't
you.
find me key for pull me lock.
Then you lick off like with armor.
I'm going to lick off the lock on me. You see what me barely can get up.
If I did that answer me call them when me call your best friend to tell him so if you tell him if you link me, you know that link me.
Right.
And we like, you mean it wrong?
Wrong, somebody I call right now.
Me call to be phone more than 300 times if you ask me if you see
You
you
know
know.
that the man there tell me say he want him bike to fix. Ma give me 2 day time for him bike to fix.
So your best friend?
Oh, if you look for me and tell me that, I'm me and my friend.
Me
He
think,
never come ask him about my foot. I say,
you
bro,
see, that's why I
better
always
days are
tell you. You don't trust friend. See, me
Wait.
tell you.
Action.
You see, me tell you. Don't trust friend. But you know, you said Tibi are your best friend. And you know, do you nothing if you ride, nothing happen. Remember when you crash me ask you say, what you gonna do now? You say, now worry your head, Tibi will give you 2 months to fix it. So, what go on?
man say I want him bike fix. I know me.
You want him back fixed by when? How much in give one time?
2 days and I hear me and say,
2
me and
days.
speaking of parables.
Yeah, what kind of
He
friend
say
that you
2
have?
days, you want him bike to fix. I need me at him say, me have the next bike to go fix the people them. Oh, me know, y'all take up the crutch, you lick me up on my foot, sir.
So your best friend? No, the last time me checking you say are your best friend. So all your best friend for one lick up on the broke foot. What kind of friend them that you have, you know?
I think will be a try yesterday.
You know Molly? All your little lamb goodly arise.
Good man.
Anyways.
My mother go come help me look after that.
Oh, anyways, and the money where you...
will come and ask me if my foot a pain me.
Me didn't get to the point, but me not tell you say the money where you did forgive me come for.
You know, say you're wicked.
I'm a wicked.
You see me in a this situation, you really still come ask me for money.
Then if you do, then if you're hungry, me need groceries in my house.
Yes. Tell you. You could have wicked some more.
What going on right so?
Really? Then your mother have cataract on for your eyes. You not see me?
Girl, me ain't no
Don't
size.
leave my mother saying.
Me and you are no size. You think so true you. Start grind me son. You start keep up them foolishness here.
Lady.
Oi, me ain't no size. Not talk to me son. Don't push on. Don't push.
No, this look like a tugger. You see, true,
Don't call
you
me son
can't.
name. True me can't do
Tugger.
it. No,
So you can fling him all about the place and tell him, if he wash your dirty clothes, them and do all man kind of something for him, you come drape me up.
As so my son tell you, say, him a wash my dirty clothes them. Me son look like a girl to you.
And that him tell me now, him say, that's why I move out of your house, cause you want to use him like a girl.
You always a take things.
My son look like girl to you.
Lady,
You
irritate
big, so you
me. Cause
believe
when you
say-
come here, you behave like you know, see me like it already on your eyes now. And me feel like so you get too old, up in your shell right now. Bye. Don't need deal with me. And your son me come here start deal with the money more right now to go buy my
You
groceries.
see disrespect? You see how me want how much time so you know to pick up them little dirty butterfoot rubber tail girl.
You never know your butterfoot when you push him out.
Hey girl, come here.
Lady,
I'm here
lady.
talk to my son that. I'm in a own your as no daughter-in-law. No
Never.
rank with me.
Me never business and you me a grinding your son.
Hey,
You don't need to talk to me son either because me look here. If you never know my son
Give me
about
the money, let me go buy the
No,
groceries.
you don't get no money so you don't see foot. You're a wicked girl.
Then he foot not stop him from give me the money in that
What
pocket.
are they? Let me come over here so. Come in and want to step on your foot. Oh, hello. You know so you go on your foot here so. So we are going to get, you don't know if you go buy medication and you have to go back to doctor, therapy.
Public hospital give free medication. Pharmacy they are public hospital. Me need grocery to eat.
You see the kind of dirty girl where you take up? Eh? You see it in dirty heart.
Listen, woman, your
so
man.
she no business if your foot better. She want you to
Hello,
give her.
me can't get the money, please. The money me want. Can your mother just irritate me now?
Girl, just go on.
I know that. Lift me out tight and see if me not make you walk with two.
Move from out of my son.
Lady.
Move.
Last time me
You
say.
move from out of my son.
Lady.
Move.
Lady.
Take yourself and go there so. Yo.
Hello,
Walk there so.
Talk to your mother.
Walk there so because right here so full of beer ants.
Because I you me crash and now you come and ask me for grocery money.
Sure. Look where you come turn up in now. Beer ants. Look there. Pure ants.
Tell me.
Hmm? I make ants gone in my slippers. Me tell us the girl salt. Salt girl. Salt. See there? Hands all take me anywhere you see them salt girl there. Hands always there. See there now? You come sit down in the ants nest and wait for that there little cockroach there. And if you come beg your money, and you have your foot for salt out. So when you take the little change when me give you, because you're not working.
Me not give no money, mommy.
And give she. How you gonna look about your foot? Eh? How you gonna look about your foot? You know say one little I go kill this girl that there. Where you get her from? Hello, if you plan to breed she, nobody coming, nobody want no granddaughter, nor no grandson. From them the kind of barefoot, dirty foot girl there. Me tell you the first time when you care about introduce her to me, say, me not be no mother-in-law for them the kind of girl there. You don't see her head? Eh? You don't see her head how it can?
Man, me call her over here. Are you me wait for me?
So what she did over here, so?
Me no know she come but she a come ask me about for grocery
If you give her no money when me give you, we find out. From you start there with that the kind of girl there, you salt. See there you have the pop toe. Eh? Doctor bandage up the whole like I hold your foot broke and I must see two of your toe broke or one. Eh? Or four of them. Me not even know how much I know them, much I say 4 months pop. Eh? So see if this a girl here. Eh? We come here so to you for money. I hit me when your foot did break. And you're meeting an accident with TB bike. You never call me and tell me because every dollar you have you have to give she. So you not think about for your health. Eh? So for your health don't come first. And she alone in front where you can't get things at the front you want so. You know say you're sad for you there with she. You have front where you can pick, choose and refuse from. You have cherry front, strawberry front, pineapple front, grapefruit front, you have orange front, banana front. You have all kind of front and you go choose this and idiot front you will look like a dumpling make with spoon and drop in a pot front. Hey, you're idiot man.
They don't need that now because she said she not care about me.
Look at the nice girl.
You can't believe that
We come on the yard all the while they ask me about you. The little Indian girl down the road, how she love you. And you know, but shut to that the girl there, you pick up this idiot here, this a crosses. Eh? This girl know she that there, they take care of you and they help you with your foot and they show you, say, yes, me love you for you. And you are my man, so when you dip on your foot again, at 2 hours see and we are in your sickness, I told you, she come for money. Eh? Me don't see if you give her money. Me go see. Look like you're hungry like dog and you're from and then this girl come up here, come ask you for money. Are you that? You see your life? Eh? Then a kind of dirty life you want to live. Kill this life. Eh?
Evening, Auntie Zena.
Evelyn.
You know, say I'm glad me see you though. Yeah, right, somebody for me see. You know, say I want a son away.
I'm not going on the aunt's nest.
Alright, sorry about that. You know, say I want a son now. Well, me left my bike, gone a town for 2 weeks and come back. And see my bike mash up. And Auntie Zena, me not tell a lie now, me give him 2 days to fix my bike, you know. And I just because me know you long time and you know me long time, because me look kind of grow, you know. And I want my bike fixed, you know.
Alright, here I know. Listen to me now. Me know you from a long time from your baby. You come like me want a son. I remember say you and my son grew up together. Like a 2 brother. You know, a family friend. So, me understand say you want your bike. But it already happened. The devil don't do what he do already. Thank God him not dead. And thank God the next person alive same way. But me, we take up a full responsibility in my hand. And give you back the money. Whatever parts the bike want, you can get it. Or if I care about a mechanic and me have to give the mechanic the money or put the money in a few and give you personally, well fine. But me we give you because at this present moment, you see say him cannot walk. He can't walk. Hold on. Your friend I don't want it to have nothing and this little boy when he went liquor so till he turn man now, he respect me. I don't want the disrespect right here. So listen now, I saw the devil stay the 2 and friend long time and I understand. You can talk over it. He can't work, you know, which is saying to them break, you understand? So me I go pay you for the bike.
I feel pound that in Auntie Zena.
You even tell me say you said 2 days time.
I'm a bike, so, let me work, you know.
Me I go get the money.
In my pocket, you know.
Me understand, but me don't want it to one if you have nothing. Because you see that same piece of bike there, it mash up, you know, and it can fix back. But if somebody did unalive half of the bike, the person cannot fix back. At least you can still see your friend. We want to grow up as 2 brother. Nobody with the quarreling. It don't make no sense. Me I go fix your bike. My son can't work right now. Something wrong with his foot. Me I beg you, give him a little chance and give me a little time for me can pay. You said 2 days. But if you see pass over the 2 days, please me beg you, nobody can cuss him and me I go pay you for the bike. I don't know me mash up it. Remember say my son and you come like my son same way. It won't come like a brother.
I mean if you expect say bike will fix up fast and 2 days go.
Look here. Sometimes when you hear, no, you have to understand. Hitting you is making you
best
money.
I
know say your best friend, but a grieving, I devil they set up it to one against one another. You have to understand.
I want to take up this licking on my foot.
Alright, no worry yourself about it. Because when he tell me say take up this licking on his foot, we all grow up together as brother, 2 brother, you know, and friend, you know. Me couldn't believe me. I feel they say TB take up this licking, can't do it. But anyway, me glad you never do it. Because see there, maybe you're looking for the same foot and then it get worse. So listen to me now. Please me ask you. Although me say 2 days time, if you see 2 days pass and me no give you, me they try to sum up the money together to start out your bike. Please. Just give me some time. And me ask you now, if you know the 2 as friend, if you can just talk over it and forget about it. So anyway, thank you for listening to me here.
Alright, Auntie Zena.
Alright then, so take care. Because I know say any of me up here today maybe 2 in a big quarrel in us. No mind chop your licking down up here.
I do nothing, you know, so if not I'm to him, you know. I hope you don't call me name, you know.
No, I know say you're not doing nothing. Because just you agree about your bike. I know say your name.
I'm a boy this and if you know me just grieve come on my bike and he know say my bike me make my money.
You understand?
But
no
you
problem.
know I could have dead, you know. You never come and say, bro, give thanks to better days ahead or something. Could have worse. You never come to me and say that. You come, your mom my bike to fix one bag. You never come ask me all things that I try explain.
You never ask me if I could have get my bike or take you out.
Me tell you say me borrow somebody phone and call you know answer so me go.
Get me I should allow my bike.
So hold on then, I don't understand this story. I know Tibi lend you the bike and you just they call him and now get him and you go in a yard and sit and take it.
Okay, girl, you want to come over some...
Which girl? The same crosses. When me come see her so that girl is a sad girl, you need to leave her. Tibi, no worry yourself. Me I go take up the as me tell you already, me personally I go take up full responsibility.
Everything good.
Full responsibility to take care of your bike.
Everything good, man, Auntie Zina, man. Nah, I'm praying nobody, I mean, I'm praying no way, no, but me just have a bike. Deal with it, you know.
Yes, me go sorry. Me sorry about everything and do. Me a beg you, make it stay right here, so make it up right here, so the quarreling and the vexation and the argument and the this and that. So take care of your take care. And God bless you with everything. And me glad say nothing worse may happen than that. You see where you put yourself in. You see that now? You see it?
You understand.
Me can't go cuss Tibi. Him is like my son.
Boy, I must feel so your mother can't save him, you know. Feel that's where they go. Right, just watch. Make 2 days come, I'm a buy and deal with. And we see something. I must feel say Auntie Zina can save a true. You know me from me a little boy growing up. Right. Soon know what to do with it.
Me know him, you know say me know Tibi from him little so and him mother. So I know him grew up on the town big man. Me can't make no cuss on one another and fight and lick down on one another. You understand? So no bother with the quarreling, man.
Just want to be there right down there.
So you want me help you going or you will going when you're ready? Me I come go here now.
Just pass the hammer when I store me.
Alright. Hold me. Me I go with you something.
He come like you.
And if I can call my sister and beg my sister her money, Father God. I'll try. Ask and it shall be given. Sis. No girl. Me no good known tall. Right now I work me I go and me stress out. You know say you never crash off a bike. What you mean you not hear about it? Fit you? 2 bike lick up in a one. To your nephew? 4 and 2 of them break. Doctor bandage it up. In Senga hospital and sit me see him with 1 big old ugly sitting pan in foot. Yeah girl. Then you know what? They say him right, but he have to be responsible for the next man bike plus theme bike. I mean by now work. You can't work with the broke 2 of them. What? That may I say. Same thing me tell him. I don't know worst of all what happened. Then say they want him to fix the bike right now. Okay. When? 2 days time. What me say? You analyze me they tell for true. Then tell him so. Say they want them bike to fix. Who for bike? You don't know what to be. You know say 2 of them come like a 2 brother from a long time and grow up, but you know say. And no money alone. And no money alone, you can borrow from somebody and it cause problem. You can put yourself in a problem where it costs money too. I same thing, money add up same way in there. Yeah. So, you have to go help me. Me have 1 little change put on for work for my house, but me have to go use it up, you know. I never nothing much, but mother want some more money for you. You have to go help me not lie. Then say they want in 2 days time and I don't want a problem between him and nobody and then me go involved in it and police involved. We say enough game so quick. What you say? What you mean? Me want to give them the money for them bike. What you said? Don't give them the money yet for the bike. Oh, you not tell me say no give them, just not give them it yet. Oh, me understand, but why? Me not like problem, you know? Because then can carry me to court and then me tell I say me no give them no money. But me no either, but I take receipt from them and would I make all JP and police sign it. What? Say them now go through that. Okay, fine. Since as I saw, me I'll take your foolish advice. Me have the money, matter of fact, part of the money for give them. I want some more money. Me go keep it, and even if me get the rest, me still keep it. Just keep it for a while and see what go take place. Cause me no want no problem between me and nobody, you know. Before, so when me they give them it, me give them in front of one police and make them sign feet. You think me a idiot? Then now when you lend me, I have to go give you back for your money. That just so you go still. I work me I go. And it's so hot. On the road me the girl. Yeah. We work me I go. Me left from over me yard already. Yes. Alright, me tell him say you're sorry for hear about what happened. Yeah. Me have to go in now, you hear? Because me don't want late to go to work. Eh? I ain't told them break and no like in foot, but you know, doctor, them know what them a do. They must know what them a do why them bandage up in front. The whole line told them in foot bottom come right up. No, not up to him, me. Me I take one picture and send it on you. Or when you have time, you come look for him. Girl, I want nephew. That's how I go. Thank God. Same thing me I go say to. Thank God, nothing worse than happen. I just seen too. Yeah. Alright, here. My credit are done. Me just that me did call you about later. When you go give me the money, you tell me. Alright, later. Me call you back. Later. Where did you do on the road?
Maybe I see me there go. Me go check. Yeah.
Me see your beard, because you're in a clean clothes and I see your clothes there, man. Me understand. Me never have said that.
Left me over here, but me walk to short push. Go see Mr. Public or me down there.
Nah, stop walk up and down on the foot. The foot need rest. You need to sit down on the chair or the couch or the assack, whatever they want to call it, whatever you want, sit down on and put up this. Make the blood can flow properly.
I want to get him money, people then start out. I try to me can borrow money from public.
Fido, you know, when me did tell us already, me we give you the money. First of all, my sister me just attack.
The next bike, people them will try to get to me. I'm on the phone and somebody tell me this morning that they will try to get to me to fix feel. They will try to get to me to fix them bike. And they want to say they want them bike fixed up. I try to borrow money from public.
Public have money. You go borrow money from public and then we go get it back for him. Maybe I borrow him, I go borrow it from somebody to let you through you and my friend.
Oh yeah. Come to auntie.
She said she go lend me money, but she not tell me when. But she go give me man and my sister. And she me just said that after a little while before you come here.
No mind she get it could have give her. I know. I'm hungry right now. I don't even want to ask you for nothing because you already fix the bike and sitting already.
I cook in my yard and food left on the stove. You can go over there go eat it.
Food up there?
Yes. You want go eat it. I not have to talk in the public, but I put the key you know where there. Right. And nobody come broke my place. And sit down on your foot, me I come go work now. Me are late.
You know come?
Later, man.
Away there. Take one by taxi, come up and hurry. Fast, do it fast, do it quick. Just listen to what me have to say now. Just jump on a bike and hurry forward. Just listen to me now, brother. Me say if you forward, brother, take a taxi, even if me have to pay fare if you not have money for you. Me will pay, just hurry up and forward. Just do what me tell us, Philip. Alright, this girl I just always feels every time I call him about something like that. A happy girl. Hello, oh yeah, what's up? I don't know, girl, up here when I call you, I don't know, no.
So why you tell me if you take by taxi TV?
Let me explain to you something. You know what I say, Toga? Remember what you tell us when I go to go spend 2 weeks with my grandfather? I left my bike up at Toga yard. To come back now, my bike mash up. He take my bike out the yard, go looking at somebody else's bike, mash up my bike, and no more my bike fix. You can't fix it.
Yes, man. And you then should have ride and go mash up too. What me tell us about that dirty boy there? He don't have no good for himself, you know. So everything for people in try for wreck is not a good friend. First thing first, them boy they love sweets. Them boy they are a good friend. See it? They get best friend. All along me there tell you, Tibi, leave them people alone, a bad company them. See them? No, you know how long me not take a buy a taxi. But I try to hurry up and get that fixer. I go get one you want. Cause me get accustomed to ride on my man bike. And me can't, but if you take no taxi and no bike taxi, me if you tell up make sunburn. Me want ask me come out of the taxi, me go on my man bike. Don't ramp with me. Or each time if you come pick me up, you get one rent. Somewhere or the other. That is
no, me want to come give him 2 days to fix my bike, you know.
That you fixing that 2 days?
And he might tell me say no money, brother.
Oh, you must know, me can't know for you.
Boy, they go make me mash him up, you know. Go make me mash him up. And that me I try to avoid and run from me, no want to do it. Because me don't want to put myself in no trouble for no bike.
How much time you want about that boy then? How much time? How much time? No, me I feel take bike taxi. Me don't like that. Me don't like that, Tibi. Me don't like that. Come. You see that? Me I give you by around 2 weeks. Me I give you for take bike taxi. 2 weeks. Or else. You take this too light. Me don't like soft man, no, Tibi. Me don't like soft man. Me I go to the dirty boy them myself. Me, I go to him myself. Me really. Them say me not have no paper
You
sign.
have to go to him, man, because me don't know what to do with me.
Yeah, move too slow, brother. Me say me not take no bike taxi and all. Listen. You're deaf.
You see me I plan to mash him up though.
No, if you mash him up your bike, I'll take longer to fix. Me deal with him. Me with
You don't
deal.
look like him I go get no money now if you fix it.
Here.
I want me to
That's
deal
why
with
me want deal with him. Let me deal with it.
you will have to do that one.
Nonsense. It's a rubbish. What are you doing?
It's afternoon.
What's wrong going in, Papa?
Poga.
Yeah.
I went to again. No, man.
So I must have my man bike, you know, sir. I need to see him.
No,
So if you know when we are about there, tell me.
Poor mother. Poor him, mother. That boy. I feel man bike him mash up.
Sir, you mash up my man bike. I'm again 24 hours.
You're lucky I give so much. How would I give 6 hours? Or 1 hour? Just a two mechanical idiot, then take too long. We are giving 3 to 4 hours. To my bike, a brand new bike. No, fix no bike.
Sir,
if a man mash up your bike,
You're just a
I don't know, fix your one. They want a brand new Spike.
Sir, just attack. You don't know ignorant me being if you know me can't find Toga, you send me to me.
I look like to you. Everybody call me nosy. Why? What look like to you? Look like somebody I walk and chat people business.
Sir.
I walk and know people.
You know how hard this before me used to can't jump up a man bike and
Yeah, I cock up your bumper. Me know that.
I know me if you take bike taxi, me not depend that with nobody.
No wrong.
No, something wrong. My man left him bike in a house in a yard, you know. And
I love you give it. Out the same live. Up the same live. I'm glad you talk. I'm glad you talk. I hope the same live.
You follow me? Sir, yeah, look how up the so big. Where is up the so? The house yellow, pink, green, purple, orange, up the same live.
You know me?
No?
So how you want me follow you? How you know me gonna take you away?
You not take me away, sir.
No, one. A man you go take. If I did the woman no more
Then sir, next question. The man has how much dirty clothes you have?
A laundry me run. Laundry I run. This is how I make my
clothes
little... Yeah, this is how I make my little life living. Look, let me show you something. You have to put the clothes in the pocket because people like Uno walk and watch people. You see? Sit there. You alright now? You get the gif now?
Somebody don't make no sense.
Who you? You walk and look at people like say I'm a security.
Walk. Where is a person? One bag of lock up. Yes, you're right. I said this is money. Miss.
Hello.
No, my God, Miss Yapa. From morning. By the way, you live up here?
Why are you asking me that question? Who you be?
Miss, you're so peaceful. Me come tell you, lady. Don't give me that attitude, man. Please. I'm here asking the boy person living in Toga.
Togu?
Toga.
So you ask me for somebody and I give me attitude. Me supposed to answer you? I saw you ask people
Miss,
question.
if I am Toga there, you go find him for me.
God have mercy, God. You come for work.
No.
Sorry. Alright. I know you did ask me.
Yeah.
So you cannot ask me now that they waited. I saw you wait there.
You see, we are tired and hungry and depressed and tired and my man stressed the family. You know, I have time for great people, you know.
Oh, so true man stress upon you. You feel like I say anybody you see, you feel talk to them anyhow because you are not size enough. You can be
Miss, good evening, good afternoon, good morning. If you come from this area?
No, what is your problem?
Me I look for Toga.
Why?
Toga mash up me man bike.
So why you talking?
And tell me say him I go fix it back. And no, he can't fix it back. I mean,
why you talk so loud, you know me?
I don't
you
care.
ask me for something?
No, me I say me no care about Miss.
What?
Miss, just
you have to be careful how you ask me question about people because you don't even know who you're talking to. And I saw you go see me, Miss, good evening, whatever, and ask one question.
Miss, me not busy who you are.
You question me and the question at the same time where you know me from.
You know the person or not.
I must answer you.
Look like I am talking there. Well, me do you want me to tricky your man? Tell your man, say, me, say, short, say, if you fix my man by 24 hours else, right in this. What me say? Miss, you go talk to me or you go stand up and stare at my boy. This woman I can't real. Just give your money message. Or else you are gonna get it. Just give your money message.
Else I go get what?
Anything we forget.
Me notice that they do so and they do so all long and
How
I
did
find
I
people
hear
on my face. Like you know me from now. A little girl, me can be your mother. Who you? So you see me and want ask me one question. You don't know me from now.
Lady, come out and me.
I know me name Toga. Me no borrow nothing from you.
Me not like how you come up in my face and then something. Me not like then something them. If I am Toga, me no know. But you know Toga how you talk. What is Toga to you or you to Toga? Just when me go find that bastard.
I ask me one question.
Ask me, ask.
And I saw you go address me. Eh?
Who
you? And who dare you if you come speak to me like that? Well, little girl, let me tell you something. If you're never...
Miss, me never touch her.
Me see you they do so in my face, so you make me
Me do so, me never touch her.
If I ever pop this year, you go on station today.
Miss, I know you about Spanish town. I'm here. Relax yourself, lady.
Spanish town. And where me come from?
I can't hear about 31 John's Road. Relax
Where me
yourself.
come from?
For your mother, miss.
Cassava piece where my father come from. You can't talk.
We're not afraid of my father. We're not afraid.
You're idiot.
You know you're Skengdan come from and them bad artists. Where you want to do?
Look here.
Me said I really that me come boss to you. Just tell me about Toga.
About Toga. Well.
Toga fi fix me man bike.
And him not go fix it before the time. Cause you know you want me go on the other side.
What did this lady?
What you mean what do this lady? He not fix no bike before the time. Well, if you never know and you want to know now, cause you dey ask question in a one kind of way where you not even should have asked that way because you don't even know me. Me is Toga mother.
Well, oh yes. Right person. Tell us on say he need to fix me man bike by 24 hours or else.
Clean out my throat, Jesus.
You are gonna get it.
Get what?
You dey push up yourself and you go on lady. You know say me don't
me don't
you know say.
What you dey do with that finger you up in my face? You
know say me
put on your finger them on your side when you talk to me. You can't do your mother. Don't point in fear, you're too out hard. You think so true because me dey give you time to talk and you dey go on with yourself. How you feel like?
All me defend is me man.
Little girl, from me see you, me say your problem, you know. If you never know, me know all your mother, you know. Me know all your mother, you know. Who you come own up, man? You're not even a paper for man much as
you're idiot.
You're not a paper for man much as
anything come here for a man, me have papers for him. For me, I can't DNA on me. I have papers for him. For your information. You know, so I'm gonna make big deal. I'm gonna make big deal.
Yeah, care. Hello. At TB are you there? You never know some no TB.
New?
Oh
You're
no, no, me no new.
Oh.
I knows.
So how you
Listen,
can know me?
Hello. Me no know you, but me know TB. And when you start talk about bike and Toga and one in me know the conversation already. And me, anytime I see TB, me I go talk to him about you.
Go in a bag for money.
Go in a wish bag for wish money. Me not give you not even $1, not even red cent.
You
never get what me say. You never have paper for TB.
Me say me will burn down your house.
Burn down here them off for your front. You're too out harder. This a wish lady. Go sit down, let's have manners. TB. I want little boy so when me know from him liquor.
Lady, that not
TB grow up in a for me and me can be TB mother ask him about Auntie Zina.
You could be TB mother and I want you for my mother-in-law.
Could never. But me I tell us that TB can be his son.
Me not beat you.
Beat
I would have beat you.
You shut up that little motor we have. Shut up it. You think I'm out bigger for me and louder than for me? You know say me out bigger than for you and louder than for you. Eh? You could have sold a speaker, you want no louder than for me. You're out harder now. Anytime I see TB, me I go want TB boy. No, me know say you a TB girl, so you are forced TB if you come fight after God.
And the fight alone, him more fight him.
Ain't nah go do it. Then grow up like a brother. You can't come in a TB life.
My man don't like your son.
What try?
My man don't like your son.
No.
Cause first thing my man got torn, left him bike in a yard. And you 1 foot pitney now. That's why I back up already flipping down. Yes man, you know.
Oh.
No.
So you obey my son.
A client.
You obey my son.
Sure.
So you obey my son because you're jealous over TB and Toga live as brother. So you want to go betwixt the two of them. You're not satisfied with what TB they give you. If I shut your 2 bags today, you ball for your mama. Cause me know Angela, you know. Me know Angela. Me and Angela did friend one time. And I told she take me man. Your mama take me man. Make me and her no friend no more. So you know, I come argue with me. Get up and talk to me if you have manners.
Yes, man.
That's
how you come by me.
But me never know you. Me no know you.
So I know
TB
Angela.
because you yes, me know you. Me know you because me start remember who you been now. You're a little bit outer than rank and bright.
So true, mommy, take your money and take out your
No, me not
stress,
take out it on you. Me not no stress.
I never be take
Me
your man.
stress free. Me and stress enough friend. You talk this about you have man stress and when you pass it. Young girl like you, not even have responsibility.
Me suppose.
Not even pick me you don't have. So a TB you want to come breathe the figure responsibility. You no have no paper for TB. No man paper you no have. So you want to come chat about bike like your own bike. I feel your bike where you want paper
And
to
me
do.
put me up money and you see client will buy the bike. Make I should I say God I should I
So you get it back,
bro.
I say so you and TB get
So
it
let's see
back.
people things are look. Enough of that people you 1 foot with me.
Look on you too. Watch you. Since you're there with TB.
You don't worry yourself.
You start look like
Yeah,
a
you
smaddy.
want food.
You know what I'm saying? From me they come. And me see you there. So if me ever realize, see you look how you feel a wingworm. When I did little, I pay rubbish you pick up on yam. You. As a great man take one stone and bust your head, you damn all him say. You. If you take up all me front, make you come pick them out with tweezers, you dirty wretch. You walk and thief like a why. You think so you can't get nothing from me son?
Come like him mad out the backside. Every time me I look for her, always some pass, some place, some push a day. What about this man? What about that?
Oi.
When me I get this something?
You not have no money, brother. I have to start out. People them bike and me never have money.
You know, say me turn your friend and give you one lick on this. Me feel dead for hungry. Eh? Me feel dead for hungry.
You know, say better, the best thing get us go on the ways.
And even if we ever go on move years, you need to give me the last grocery money.
You not have it. You not have no money at all.
You don't have no money at all.
You know,
So all
you're
you eat.
wicked youth.
All you
By
eat.
you, me I come find. And you cause this.
Me did tell you say for ride fast. Me tell you come for me now and hurry up. Me never say ride fast. Come for me now and hurry up.
Let's go on the way.
All you are eat. That more ask you now.
Disrespect my mother and sister. I'm never yet.
Then look how much time that a woman that disrespect me. Look how much time that a much more broad mouth woman that disrespect me.
Don't.
That leave me now, cause this is the weapon of farm against you now, you know. You see how you have to walk and up. Me make you have to sit in a wheelchair and beg somebody push you. Come for it.
Go on your way.
Me want the last grocery money.
Me not there with that. Let's go on
Listen
your
to me, and you left me now. And me left you, cause you can't feed me there anymore.
Think if I left me and me I left
Me at up your foot, you know.
Okay.
Me need the money.
You don't have no money to get.
So all me I go eat.
I don't know. Find
You need to feed me till me find a replacement for you. Cause you not go out with nothing, you know. The money we have now go buy food for eat. Give me it.
You not even come and say, how we buy go fix? You come boy, you want brush money. You want this, you want
Look how much bike your
that. Yes,
teeth.
sister, me not work.
Look how much bike your teeth. Got teeth, bike parts.
You see that's why man have to tell them business. And that I think we didn't man have to tell them business.
You should have known that when you talk. Anyways, more like the grocery money. Me hungry.
Don't talk to him.
And me got me out with that ticket. Me got me out with it, you know.
Go on here, Rudy. Go on your word, Didi, and you see if my mother not come over there for. Go on
And if
here.
your mother come over there for what happen, I just dash some piss for her. Remember some man on bathroom, you know? So you see every day me pissing at me, me I save it up here, cause me throw it for her, they want like car.
You know where you come and say in an argument. Go and find the next man, brother. Me ain't no match. You come, you see me meeting an accident and you me a comfort. You never take up none of responsibility then you come. Boy, you want grocery. You want this, you want that. Sometimes man, you take up some money.
Where you come from? Follow.
Me go to the boy, you know.
Which boy?
That boy talk, I'm going to feed
So where you have to go up there and know where you live?
Where you mean by saying you don't know?
Where you find it? You know what time you left and tell me say you come back all out?
Me sit down. Me a walk go around one part and one man saying up there so. So me go up some walk. And I stop and I see one woman. Me greet the woman properly, you know.
How she look?
She kind of, you don't have look body and she kind of.
One Rasta lady.
No, I hear care of her back here, natural, I hear not. Anyways.
Oh, the fine man is Zena.
Yes, she see a man. The woman got me throat, kick me up at ground, put me on my body, ring my finger, jail me up, box me. I mean, only ask the woman please, son. I don't know this is like you wanted to be.
So I said them I go and I want me give them 2 more there. Alright.
And you are playing with people because they can't make woman and
They gonna fix them problem.
And my bloody woman with me taste now.
They gonna fix them problem. Watch. Just watch.
Oh, no, pardon.
Today me I fix them problem.
Today.
Alright, watch. Keep me on laughing. Make a phone call.
Make your phone call, please. And you man tell me about my mother. And I say, oh, Timmy, who you there with another body?
Hold on, one.
Big you want to say a dog. And then me sitting there.
Yo, Daddy's Ken. Already? You know, say I come check you for something though. Yeah, I want to borrow for use off my shoes. Alright, wait, let me can come meet you. You're there now. Alright, we are forward right now.
Give me a call.
Urgent.
Urgent.
Must be urgent. You
Big,
can't come in.
he say a long time I tell his son say if you tap power there, you waste man.
Alright, let's see. I'm going to hear about it on the news. Just make sure.
Just come back alive.
Alright, see ya. Soon come.
More yes man. That one shit.
Boy, I must feel like you laugh with it. Yo, Daddy's Ken. All the boy come like him take man things son joke thing. My boy tell me saying that I don't know me. Yo, muddy no me head, you know. Yo, bad man, how are you? So tell me say that bad man, I'm come and I do like you know there. So I think that. Yeah. Alright. Oh, that boy I need to. Yo, Toga! Boy, Gina, let's see. Let's see no there, you know. Yo, Toga! Yo, say I tell me say a joke thing this man I take bad man thing for. You ain't gonna say that boy I deserve to get it do. Anyway, my buck him do me out. Yo. so much time if you.
Father, really come shot me youth.
Boy, let me have for here 2 times in your stuff.
But my mother soon deal with the money in the brother. I want to pay you, I can't wait, dog.
Hey boy. So what's like how your mother come and come this me girl?
Who's my mother this a girl? Who my mother this a girl? When my mother turn from do that you?
Dog, you're your best friend in the dog. And you shouldn't make you rich just saying no. Toga. You really tell you dog. And your mother know me a long time me and Paul in the dog. But you see the bike where you fix back. Then your mother will not can me out and take too long. But I'm going to use that.
Mother now can you out, brother. You will get the money. Just wait, my brother.
See that the money there? Where your mother did to give me? I'm going to go add more to it and buy a casting. Hold this.
Reach the end of the movie. Hope you enjoy it, you know. You see me? Or, I know if you enjoy it, you wouldn't reach this far. You see me? So big up yourself. Watch the video come so far. And if you never hear the first part of me say, the two of them broke me in an accident and I could have lose my life. You see me? Oh God. So better have better plans for me. So I'm there same way. You see me? I go and hold it off. So big up on yourself, heart and love as usual. There I go and hold it. You know, I'm there on a movie. Even though me in an accident, I still push out the work phone. You see me? Yeah. The movie I never did for shoot still enough because I never in the mood. I'm telling you the truth. I'm in the mood. I have someone by my side to push me to deal with the work. You understand? So I suck on my movie I get to go forward out. I tell them the right truth. You see me, so? I tell the person on my foot and hurt myself, I have to cut this short. So big up on yourself and remember what I say. Drop an honest comment down in the comment section. And go over to Shanice Lifestyle. Like, share, subscribe. Please me I beg you, I should get 1,000. Yeah, guys, she dung in my neck back. So I do it right. Big up on yourself.